We were so heck bent on sharing our stories and what worked for us and educating people on how to choose safe products to create a healthy home. The idea that the entire cleaning product aisle is basically water with a few drops of chemicals, and that we are made to believe that the oven cleaner and the toilet cleaner are like so radically different, and God forbid you use one on the other. And hence our product, that you can use the same empty bottles that come empty and you fill it up with concentrate. You never have to buy those bottles again. You just get the concentrate and keep refilling, and you can use it on your baby's bottom, your produce, and your toilet. I mean, the key to our success, honestly, I think, is that we don't try to push our product, because that's never what we've been about. And so I think it's about education, which builds a community, which builds trust. And then when you put a product in front of people that trust you, they're going to buy it. And then our product just kind of works. I mean, it kind of kicks ass.